Hello to all the wonderful humans. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and welcome. I am Aboli and I make science-based skincare and haircare videos. If you are interested in that space, then consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my travel everything. Travel skincare, travel haircare, what I do before I travel and what I carry in my travel kit. So I wanted to fit everything in these two pouches because I'm going to be going for 11 days and I don't have a lot of space and it's a domestic flight, so the weight is limited and I want to fit everything in these two things. Let's start with skincare and what I'm going to take with me. This is my Inveda cleansing oil. Now I'm taking cleansing oil with me because I think that I will apply makeup on the trip and I do not want to carry a micellar water or a cleansing milk because then I'll have to carry some cotton or something. So I'm going to carry the Inveda cleansing oil. The next thing that I will be carrying is my face wash. Yes, this is the face wash. This is the simple moisturizing face wash. I have a lot of that face wash remaining, so I have shifted it in this. This is a 50 ml bottle. I'm going to use this face wash every day, morning and at night, and my mom and dad, they also might use it, so I think this much quantity would be enough. I would always recommend to get like a travel kit if you're going to travel for a really long time, because what happens is the tubes and the extra product would just increase the weight. These are all the skincare products that I've decided to take. Okay, the first are these Miniso blotting papers. This is going to be in my purse. So yes, if you have oily skin type, take a look at this. They're really good. Okay, the second is treatments. So what treatments did I decide to take with me? There are three. As you know, I have acne prone skin and I need something which would combat my acne in say a day or two. So these are the two treatments that I'm taking with me. First is the Sebo gel. Again, if you need something to treat your acne in like 3 days or so, Sebo gel is your friend. Apply Sebo gel only on your active acne and it definitely helps to reduce inflammation and also to subside the bump that you see. Then we have benzoyl peroxide. Already spoken about this so many times. Yes, this also works for cystic acne, which I can get, you never know. Then I've decided to take the Plum Vitamin C Serum with me because I'm going to be outside in the sun for a really long time. As I'm traveling, I'm going to go out for sightseeing, etc. And I don't want to tan. So I'm going to take this with me, as vitamin C helps to reduce all the oxidative stresses that sun can cause on your skin. So these are the only three treatments that I'm taking with me. I was debating if I should take the Chemistry at Play serum or not, but finally I decided no, because the bottle is quite big and the Sebo gel does a good job at keeping all those acne at bay. Now I'm going to carry two moisturizers because I need a thicker moisturizer at night, because I'm going to travel to a very cold place and I'm going to need that extra boost of moisturization. That is why I'm carrying the BioSilk moisturizer. Really liked it. It has a nice thick consistency. It also has ceramides in it. It does have fragrance in it, but I don't mind it. And this also doubles up as a body moisturizer and it's 100 grams, so it will last me for the whole trip even if I use it as a body moisturizer, so that's great. Then I'm also going to take the Plum oil free moisturizer with me because I need something for the day, as I cannot apply this thick creams for the day. So this is something that I will be carrying. The next are sunscreens. Yes, I am going to carry 3 sunscreens with me. For some people that might be too much, but I'm going to follow my routine that I have for tanning, which has helped me, and I'm going to continue to do that. The two things that have helped me with my routine are the Fixderma Sharo SPF 50 gel and the Requil Ultra Matte Gel. I apply this, then I apply this over the vitamin C serum, and it has worked well to prevent tanning. And I am also taking my Nivea Sun Protect SPF 50 Plus for my body. Yes, because I will be going on treks and stuff, so I need something for my body as well. So I'm going to be taking these two lip balms with me. This is the Sebamed lip balm, which is going to be in my purse, and this is the Wadi lip balm, which I'm going to keep in my pouch right here. The next is from the hair care category, and that is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. I've recently purchased this. It's the smaller version. Absolutely love it for the frizz. It's almost like a dry oil, so my hair loves it because I have dry ends and oils help with it. Apply it at night, and in the morning your hair strands are so soft and I love it. So I'm going to take this with me. Now you saw my skincare pouch and you know that something is missing. The thing that is missing is aloe vera gel. Yes, I absolutely love aloe vera gels, but you guys know we always get aloe vera in these large huge jars, and I obviously cannot take that with me. So what I decided to do was, I'm going to make aloe vera mist, which I'm going to keep in my purse with my blotting papers, and that is because it will give like a nice refreshing mist that I can clean my oil or remove the extra sunscreen after a little while. So I just added a little bit of aloe vera, like half of aloe vera, and I'm going to put half of water, just mix it and use it as a spray. It will work great. This is the 50 ml bottle, so I can keep it in my purse as well. Next are hair care products, and this is the Pantene shampoo and the Pantene conditioner, and they come in this 40 ml bottles, and it would be enough because I'll wash my hair thrice, maximum 4 times, and I'm okay with it. Then I have my shower gel. This is, I think, the Plum Hawaiian Rumba, and wow, I love the scent of this one, and which is why you're coming with me. Now I'm going to address what you should do before you go on a trip, or if you have like a big event, what you do before that. Before you go on a trip, understand what your skin needs or what your skin is going through at that point. Currently I have a little bit of congestion here. I'm breaking out a little bit, and it's so hot right now in Mumbai that if you step out, you tan like crazy. There's so much sweating. Sebum production is through the roof, and that is why I need to address all of these things before I go on my vacation. So the best way to do is to have a spa day for your face, your hair, your skin, or you can go for a cleanup or a facial. And if you are lazy like I am, you can call for services at home. So this part of the video is in paid collaboration with Urban Clap. I did call someone to come home and to just give me a quick cleanup. It was like a 30 to 40 minute cleanup. I booked the cleanup through the app. I chose the O3 Tan Clear cleanup because it is meant for oily skin, and I was also a little tanned at this point. The best part about this is that all of the information needed is already there on the website. As you can see here, the steps are given and aftercare is also mentioned, and Vinita was assigned to me. Next day she was on time and she has sanitized everything. She's very organized, as you can see here, and we started the cleanup. The first step was cleansing, and with cleansing there was a little bit of massage. And oh my god, this massage is to die for. I was so relaxed at this point. The next step is steaming. I did take it for 5 to 7 minutes, and then after steaming there's a little bit of massage to just clean up the remnants of the cleanser. After this there's usually extraction, but I asked her not to give me extraction. So the services that they provide can be customized if you talk to the professional. Then she went on with the main mask, and that was left for around 7 to 8 minutes. And after this was the best part. She gave me a good 10 to 15 minutes of facial lifting massage, and I think I slept at some point during this massage. It was very relaxing. And the next step is the peel off mask. This peel off mask is not like other peel off masks. It also goes on your eyes, and it was really very soothing. Because this mask was over my eyes, the professional decided to give me a head massage just to show that she is in contact with me. So you can see that they are professionals and they do think about other scenarios as well, which I was very impressed with. Again, this process was so satisfying. The removal of the peel off mask just gives you a very nice feeling. Then after the service was over, again she sanitized everything and she cleaned up everything very nicely, and I was very happy with Vanita's service. And as you can see here, this is my skin afterwards, the glow, oh my god. So there you have it. This is my travel skincare.